Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quicken Classic. First, install the software and create your Quicken ID. This is your personal login for the application. Next, securely connect all your bank and credit card accounts. Quicken can link to thousands of financial institutions. Finally, categorize your initial transactions. This step is crucial for accurate financial tracking from day one, helping you see where your money goes immediately. Once set up, consistently enter and categorize all your income and expenses. This provides a clear picture of your cash flow. Then, create a detailed budget within Quicken. You can allocate funds to various categories like groceries or entertainment. Review your budget at least once a month to ensure you are staying on track. This proactive approach helps you manage your spending effectively and reach your financial goals. Quicken Classic offers powerful reporting tools to analyze your financial health. You can generate reports on spending, income, and net worth, providing valuable insights. Utilize the integrated planning tools to set and track long-term financial goals, such as retirement or a down payment. Monitor your investments and overall net worth with ease, giving you a comprehensive view of your financial landscape and progress over time. Beyond the basics, Quicken Classic includes advanced features like bill pay, allowing you to manage upcoming payments efficiently. It is vital to back up your data file regularly, perhaps once a week, to prevent any loss of your financial records. Explore the robust investment tracking and tax planning tools to optimize your portfolio and prepare for tax season. These features help ensure your financial data is secure and comprehensive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.